Welcome, I'm Chris.
I'm Lindsay.
And today we're doing Rumba Basic Box.
Let's get started.
Okay, the leader's footwork for the box. So starting my left foot going forward first, I will take a forward step. I'll go with my right foot to the side. I'll close my left foot to my right foot and switch weight. My right foot's now free to go backwards. My left foot goes to the side. My right foot closes to my left foot, and I switch weight. With timing, it's slow, side quick, together quick, and I go back, slow, side quick, together quick. So it's going to be slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick.
Okay, now the followers part for your basic box in Rumba. We're going to start with that right foot, taking a step backwards, left foot step to the side, and then bring your right foot to your left foot, switching weight. Now your left foot's free to go forward, side with your right, bring your feet together and switch weight. With the timing, it's going to go slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And you continue this, switching the weight every time, and that is your basic box.
Quick counts. We'll go slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And we'll go slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Okay, the key points of the Rumba box. So when we dance this together, I'm taking the same frame that we did in the previous videos, and as I start to move forward, I'm going to run into her hand. We'll take this first step together. I'll move myself to the side, close our feet and switch. And then I'll bring her forward by me moving backwards. Again, my hand's going to catch. Bring her forwards, and then side, close together. And I can repeat this over and over again. This is our basic Rumba step.
Important thing to know is you want to match the length of the step that the lead is giving you. So if he's taking a larger step, you have to follow that. You can't take a small step or he will step on you. So I have to match his length of his steps, which of course is more comfortable if you have a similar height. So fellas, if you are rather tall and your follow-ups a little bit shorter, it's a little bit kinder, it'll be more comfortable for both of you if you take a little bit of a smaller step there. Thanks for watching. Again, I'm Lindsay.
I'm Chris.
Please be sure to hit the subscribe buttons for more wedding videos in the future. Comment below if you liked it, if you didn't like it, or if you have a suggestion for us. We're open to anything, and we'll see you next time.
This is Ballroom Feed.